Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to start a new lesson in English grammar. That is lesson number 9, doing words. The words which tell us what a person, an animal or a thing is doing are called verbs. Verbs are known as doing words or action words. For example, Rajat laughs, Priya sings, the peacock dances in rain. In first sentence, the word laughs says something about Rajat's action. In second sentence, the word sings says something about Priya's action. Likewise, in third sentence, the word dances says something about peacock's action. Thus, laughs, sings, and dances are doing words. When a verb comes after a singular noun, it ends with s or es. He dances very well. He is a singular noun. So, at the end of the verb, we add only s. He dances very well. Next is, she goes for swimming daily. Verbs that come after I, you, we, they, and plural nouns do not end with s or es. For example, I dance very well. You like apples. We will, we will go to the school together. They are playing with a disc. Use of is, am, are plus ing form of verbs. A verb ending in ing tells us that an action is taking place at this moment. This means the action is continuing. We use is or am when we talk about a person or thing. Is used with he, she, it or a singular subject. Are is used with you, we, they or a plural subject. Am is always used with I. We use are when we talk about two or more people or things. Now see the examples. The first sentence is I am in the school. Here in this sentence, am is used with I. Next is Arav is my best friend. Arav is a singular noun and with singular noun we will use is. Next is we are happy to see you. We is used for more than one person, so it is a plural noun and we will use are with plural nouns. Is, am, are also known as helping verbs. So, whenever we use any of these with another verb, we should add ing with it. Sometimes we talk about something that are going on at the moment of speaking. These actions are called present continuous actions. In this case, we use the being words am, is and are and add ing to the doing word. For example, I am eating chocolate. Here, am is a helping verb, eat is a verb, and we add ing after the verb. Next is Tina is crying. Next is they are traveling by car. Here are is helping verb, travel is verb, and we will add ing to it because we are adding helping verbs with verb. Negative sentences. We put not after am, is, are to make the sentence negative. For example, I am reading. We just put not before the verb. I am not reading. It is raining. Just put not after am, is, are. It is not raining. Next is the girls are waiting. The girls are not waiting. Next is question sentences. We can make yes or no questions by switching the be verb and the subject. For example, he is working today. Let's change it into a question sentence. Switch the subject and the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Now the sentence is he working today? Notice, working today stays the same. We add just a question mark after the sentence. Next is, I am listening to music. Change it into a question sentence. Am I listening to music? Next is the birds are singing in the trees. Just switch the helping verb and the subject. Helping verbs are. And what is the subject? The birds. Just switch it. Are the birds singing in the trees? That's all for today. Thank you.